Welcome to this vacant land for sale in Simpsa, East London, Eastern Cape, South Africa for R395,000. This stunning plot is ideally situated in this gated, seaside estate and priced to sell. It is positioned on the seaside of the lowest road, so you will enjoy lovely sea views without having to contend with the full force of the coastal winds. It has a gentle gradient which enables a less expensive build. The estate is fenced and gated with cell phone access. It is situated on the Wild Coast, just 25-minute drive from East London. Freehold, fully serviced stand with a homeowners association. Just a short walk to the beach, it's the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. Minimum house size 160 m excluding garages, patios and outside buildings. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.